Hi everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we will see freshers opening from Corro Health and some other companies. So let's get into the video. Here is the first opening is from Corro Health, hiring for Chennai location, both certified and non-certified, but it should be night shift. And walk-in drive starts from 6th of August to the 15th of August. Here it is the address. This is the job description. As we all know about the eligibility criteria of Corro Health, should be license. Age should not be more than 28. Night shift from 9 p.m. to the 6 p.m. And there is a bond for 1 year, 6 months. And should not have any backlogs. And they will provide you CRC certification by giving 2 months of training. If you clear the CRC certification, then only they will consider you as the employee. So this is about Chennai location. Here is another opening from Corro Health. This is for Bangalore location, very clearly here mentioned. But this is for only certified candidates. Must be graduate in nursing. Very clearly they mentioned this time. They are looking for nursing graduates only, and candidates should not have any backlogs. Age should not be more than 28. Interested candidates, just share your CV to this email ID. Durga Devi. So this is about one more update from Corro Health regarding Bangalore location. As we discussed in last video, Corro Health hiring for CPC certified freshers for Hyderabad location. Eligibility criteria is the same, and first 6 months it would be night shift only. So this is about Corro Health 3 locations. It is also a reminder that Sutherland hiring for CPC certified freshers for Chennai location. 6th August to the 15th of August. This is the eligibility criteria. Once pass the video and read all the eligibility criteria and go for the walk-in drive. So they are looking for 70% in academics. Work from office only, should be certified CPC or CCS. And cab facility they will provide you. Incentives 8:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Saturday, Sunday holiday. Offline direct face-to-face interview. So this is about Sutherland. Here is one more opening from opening for a trainee medical coder, which is from Access Healthcare, which is Pacific Healthcare, hiring for pharmacists, nursing, doctors, background candidates, and the location is for Trivandrum. So this is designation is trainee medical coding, Trivandrum location, nursing graduates or postgraduate certified nurse or doctors. The certifications, both certified and non-certified. Not certified candidates should get the certified by their own within 90 days. Expertise will be checked in basic anatomy, coding, and conversations. 5 days working day, Saturday, Sunday, holiday. Interested candidates, just share your CV here. Malik HR. So this is about Pacific Healthcare opening. Yeah, this is about Pacific Healthcare, as I have discussed previously. You can share your CV to this phone number or to that email ID. If you want, I will uh, share you the Ritu Singh HR number as well. Sorry, HR email ID as well for Pacific Healthcare. So this is about Pacific Healthcare. So GE BBS Healthcare hiring for CPC certified freshers, and eligibility criteria B Form M Form. If you are interested, share your CV to Sagar HR. No walk-in interview. They will screen the profile. If you are screen select, then only they will share you the call letter for the interview. Just 20 hours before they have updated the post. So this is about GE BBS Health. As we discussed about Corro Health hiring for certified freshers for Hyderabad and Bangalore location, this is eligibility criteria. Interested candidates can share here. Very clearly she mentioned eligible aspirants can share their resume to. Here is the email ID. So this is about Corro Health Pacific Healthcare opening. Here is one more opening from HC Private Limited, hiring for SCC medical coder, qualification freshers, certified and non-certified, both the candidates are Chennai. For Chennai location, interested candidates send your resume to these two numbers, or else you can share your CV to this email ID, and the location is Chennai. As we discussed in yesterday video, Primera is hiring for freshers for Hyderabad location AR caller. Total 100 openings and walk-in is on 10th of August. It's just a reminder. Here is another opening for life science graduates who have 1 year plus experience in PV and medical reviewer. This is from TCS Healthcare. They are looking for 1+ years of candidates, Bangalore location. For this position, there is walk-in drive on 10th of August, life science roles at TCS Bangalore. Contact Divya or Nidhi. This is the location. For both the positions, candidate should have 1 year experience. Documents to carry, these all are the documents you should carry. So this is about today video. If you found this video is helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.